Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix V380 camera night vision not working, IR LEDs, night mode and app settings fix. Fix 1. Check app and lighting settings. First, the app night mode. Open the V380 or V380 Pro app and access the camera's live feed. Then tap the More or Settings icon and look for the Light or Night Vision mode, and ensure it is set to Auto or IR mode rather than always off. For light sensor obstruction, the camera switches to night mode using a tiny light sensor, so make sure there are no bright lights shining directly into the camera's lens, and that no dust or dirt is covering the sensor. Next, cover the sensor chest. To force the camera into night vision mode, cover the light sensor with your finger or any tape. And if the IR lights turn on and the video turns black and white, your hardware is fine, and it was just a lightning conflict. Fix 2. Physical and hardware troubleshooting. First, check the IR LED. Simply turn off the lights in the room or cover the camera lens. Then look directly at the camera, and if night vision is working, you will see a faint ring of red glows emanating from the small lights around the lens. Next, insufficient power supply. The infrared or IR LEDs draw significantly more power than standard day recording. If you are using a cheap third-party power adapter, replace the power cable and plug to verify they can support the IR draw. Fix 3. Perform the reset and firmware fixes. First is to remove the SD card. A corrupted micro SD card can sometimes crash the camera's core processing threads, blocking the night vision trigger. So power off the device, then remove the memory card and again turn the camera back on. Next is hard reset. Simply locate the reset button, usually near the SD card slot or on the cable, and power on the camera, then press and hold the reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds with a pin until you hear a voice prompt, then reconnect the camera via the app again. For firmware update, check the app for available firmware upgrades, as manufacturers frequently push patches to fix automatic mode switching glitches. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.